Lamsugo hanu hai atokari kariyaro joto nai tongnai bayap sungno tini tui phaikeno rong bagai TTIDC ni kaisa notification job ni related omo bo notification hinke advertisement number 03/2024 means subzonal development officer ni je exam date related omo date ongkhorka omo notification ongkhorka 30 April 2024 katal omoni first exam date tongmani hinke 16 tarik June 2024 tongmani but afro UPSC ni prelim exam tongmani bagai kongma candidate ni bagai naharai tabo hinke UPSC exam 16 tarik tongmani bagai abo same date klai tongkha abon bagai tabo change khaiye 9 tarik June 2024 khaireka subzonal development officer ni exam tai number 3 tongnai de admit card borjangnai tabo hingke admit card mannai 20 May 2024 ni simi TTIDC ni website o download khai nai mannai khakhoy norok pujikana nai tabo exam angkha 9 tarik June 2024 16 tarik ni badla asung nangkha joto bayar sona belakina hambai om haite katal job ni notification rok phaikeng nama nan bagi chini channel kerengi tongdi bell icon chini subscribe khairi di like share khairi